Rare earth minerals are the unsung heroes of modern technology, powering everything from smartphones to electric vehicles. Yet Earth's reserves are dwindling, sparking a supply chain crisis that threatens innovation. Traditional mining methods wreak havoc on the environment, leaving behind toxic waste and devastated landscapes. As demand for these minerals surges, the need for sustainable solutions becomes urgent. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Lunar exploration has unveiled a treasure trove of rare earth minerals on the Moon. These deposits surpass Earth's richest mines, offering a potential solution to our resource crisis. The Moon's surface, untouched by weathering, holds vast quantities of these minerals. Mining here could provide a sustainable supply for centuries without harming Earth's ecosystems. Advanced robotic systems are revolutionizing lunar mining, operating autonomously in harsh environments. These robots can identify and extract minerals with precision, minimizing human risk. Reusable rockets have slashed transportation costs, making lunar missions economically viable. In situ resource utilization further enhances efficiency by producing fuel and materials on site. Lunar mining holds the potential to transform global economics with trillion-dollar markets on the horizon. Helium-3 from the Moon could revolutionize clean fusion energy, offering a sustainable power source. Nations leading in space mining will gain significant technological and economic advantages, securing control over critical supply chains and shaping the future of innovation. Engineers are tackling the Moon's harsh conditions with innovative solutions from thermal management systems to dust-resistant materials. These advancements ensure safe and efficient operations. International space law is evolving to govern mining rights, balancing commercial interests with global cooperation. Safety protocols are crucial to protect astronauts and equipment in this new frontier. Asteroids offer vast mineral wealth, complementing lunar operations and expanding resource availability. Technological advancements are making asteroid mining a feasible reality. By tapping into these celestial bodies, we can diversify our resource base, reducing dependency on terrestrial sources and ensuring a steady supply for future generations. Lunar mining eliminates the environmental destruction associated with Earth-based extraction. This guilt-free approach preserves ecosystems while meeting material demands. By shifting resource extraction to space, we can protect our planet's fragile environments, ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. Countries and companies are racing to master space mining technology. The winners will control supply chains for critical materials, shaping the next century of technological progress. The future of innovation hinges on space resource extraction. By leading this charge, we can secure a prosperous future while leaving Earth's environment to heal. Recap: we've explored the rare earth crisis, the potential of lunar and asteroid mining, and the technological breakthroughs making it possible. Space mining offers economic and environmental benefits. Takeaway: by embracing space mining, we can secure critical resources, drive innovation, and protect our planet. The race is on, and the stakes have never been higher. Call to action. Join the conversation on space mining. Support initiatives that promote sustainable resource extraction and technological advancement. Together, we can shape a brighter future. Let's lead the charge in space mining. Advocate for policies that encourage innovation and sustainability. The future is in our hands, and it's time to reach for the stars.